How can you use Pictory AI? In this video, we dive into that and more. Welcome to TechTuned, your AI-focused YouTube channel. Here, you'll find the latest topics and tutorials related to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Now, let's get started. What is Pictory AI? Pictory AI is an AI-powered video creation platform that offers a range of features to help you create high-quality videos quickly and easily. The service runs in the cloud, and you can use it from any computer. With Pictory AI, you can quickly and easily create videos that are engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Whether you're promoting a product, sharing a message, or telling a story, Pictory AI can help you achieve your goals. Here are some of the features of Pictory AI. With script to video, you can convert a video script into a video. You can write your own script or paste one directly into the editor. Pictory AI's AI engine automatically selects the best images and video footage representing your script. With article to video, you can convert an article into a video. You can paste the article URL into the editor, and Pictory's AI engine will automatically generate video content. You can edit videos by simply editing text. You can edit webinars, podcasts, and Zoom recordings. You can also remove filler words and silences to produce professional results. With the Visuals to Video feature, you can create videos from visuals. You can upload images or videos, and Pictory AI's AI engine will automatically generate slideshow video content with images, text, and short clips. With AI voiceover, you can add your voice or realistic AI voices to your videos. Pictory AI's engine uses natural language processing to generate high-quality voiceovers. You can also automatically add captions to your videos. Captions help attract more viewers, increase accessibility, and boost SEO and rankings. Another feature you can use is to summarize long videos automatically. Pictory's AI engine grabs the key points of long videos and generates short clips that engage viewers. Pictory AI also offers templates that you can customize with personal branding and use to create videos quickly and easily. These templates are designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Now let's see how you can use Pictory AI to create a video. To use Pictory AI, you need to create an account on the platform. Your 14-day trial starts after you sign up. During the 2-week trial, you can create 3 video projects, each up to 10 minutes long. You have to upgrade to paid plans to remove watermarks from the videos. Pictory AI offers 3 pricing plans: Standard, Premium, and Teams. These paid plans include all AI-enabled features, text-to-video creation, automatic captioning and subtitles, and access to 3+ million royalty-free stock videos and images. The Teams plan allows sharing and collaboration. The Standard plan costs $19 per user per month. The Premium plan costs $39 per user per month, and the Teams plan costs $99 per month for 3 users. Once you have logged into Pictory AI, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From here, you can access all of the platform's features. The dashboard shows the 4 main AI-based video creation methods and a navigation menu at the top. If you want to create a video from a script, choose the script to video option. You have the option of typing your script into the editor or copying and pasting it from another source, such as a file or an AI tool, such as ChatGPT or Jasper. Each line from the script will become a scene in the video. You can then choose the scene settings and click Proceed. The next screen shows you templates you can choose from, and you can also select your desired screen settings. Once the storyboard is ready, you can add visuals, elements, and styling. From the Audio tab, you can select background music. You can easily preview the available tracks and choose the one you like. Pictory provides AI voiceovers to narrate your videos. In the Audio tab, click on Voiceover. Go over the list of AI narrators available, which includes both male and female voices in various accents. You can try out the options and choose the one you prefer. Choose the speed you want your narrator to speak at and click Apply after selecting the right audio track. If you prefer to use your own voice, you can do so by uploading via the My Uploads tab. To edit a video, you can add it from a YouTube link or upload an audio or video file. You will be asked to select the number of speakers. This helps Pictory make an accurate transcription. Once the transcript is ready, you can edit the video by simply making edits to the text. Deleted words and sentences are automatically deleted from the video. You can select the Remove Filler Words option to remove filler words, such as and from your video. You can also remove silences and long pauses by selecting the Remove Silences option. The search text option allows you to search for specific moments in the video. After making all the edits, you can play back the video to preview the changes. Once you are satisfied, download the video, and you're good to go. If you want to choose the video to visuals option, you first have to upload files from your computer and arrange them into the proper sequence to create the storyboard. Pictory offers several options you can use to improve your videos and make them more visually appealing. From the Visuals tab, you can add images, background pictures, and video clips to your storyboard from your files or from Pictory's library. From the Elements tab, you can add emojis, GIFs, or stickers to your storyboard. From the Audio tab, you can add voiceovers or background music. You can use the Styles tab to change the storyboard style from a style element library, your own templates, or from Pictory's templates. The Branding tab allows you to add a logo and intro and outro scenes. From the Format tab, you can change the resolution and aspect ratio for your videos. With Pictory's intuitive dashboard and powerful AI capabilities, you can create professional-looking videos and images in no time. And there you have it, Pictory AI, its features, and how you can use it to create amazing videos and edit them in no time. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any videos from us. Thank you for watching.